Good morning, Pearl. Up here. Up here. Shake hands. Bila. Sit down. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good morning guys, Marvin here from shopsadapage.com. In today's video is a little bit different. Let me explain. So basically what I want to do is to give you guys an update on what's happening behind the scenes. 3 weeks ago I posted a video called Not So Massive Tech Unboxing. The problem is kahit isang product on that video, hindi ko pa natapos i-review. But don't worry guys, I'm working on it. So as you can see, I have here the new Nia Q8 Bluetooth headphones. I've been testing this for more than 2 weeks now and so far so good. Maganda ang tunog, maraming functionalities, the build quality is okay, the comfort is fine. The full review is coming soon guys, don't worry. And for those who are subscribed because of budget gaming peripherals, don't worry guys, I'm currently testing the Funtech K611 TKL gaming keyboard. So far so good, wala pa namang sirang keys. And all the lighting functions are working properly. The tactile feedback is very nice. And I'm also reviewing the Funtech WG8 wireless gaming mouse. So my wife has been playing Torchlight 2 using these gaming peripherals, and so far wala naman siya nakikita any issues with this keyboard and mouse. And for those who are waiting for my full review of the Xiaomi Redmi 5A, don't worry guys, I'm working on it. Nakabili na ako ng case and tempered glass. As you can see, ang binili ko ay clear case because I want to retain the color and the style of the dark gray version. I'll be focusing on performance, battery life, the available updates, plus gaming and speaker, camera, and stuff like that. So don't worry, it's coming soon as well guys. But the real reason why I'm falling behind my schedule is because this.
AUX mode.
So I finally decided to change the theme of my website because I think the current theme of my website is not optimized for the things that I do, the product reviews. Wait, let me show you guys. So here's the current theme of my website guys. As you can see, there's a lot of wasted space on the left side and the right side. It's not optimized for technology type of contents. This theme is actually used for photography or magazine type of contents. That's one problem. Another problem is the sidebar right here on the left side only shows on a wider screen. So if you're viewing this website on a smaller screen, you will not see the sidebar. And this is my new theme guys. As you can see, it's a little bit more modern. Although there's wasted space on the left side and the right side as well, it's fine because I feel like I can put a lot of contents here, different types of contents, carousel, box type, more dynamic than the previous template. And I feel like this template is more suitable for technology type contents like what I do. And as you can see, I also changed the logo of my website so that it will be a little bit more modern and more focused on tech reviews, because I feel like the old logo here, it's a little bit not professional, if I can say so. So yeah, that's the reason why I've been slacking on making more videos for you guys, because I've been focusing on this website, because I feel like I've been focusing on my videos lately. So just giving my blog more love for now. But once I've changed my template, I'm going back to making videos for you guys, especially the one that I mentioned on my Not So Massive Tech Unboxing, and for my full review of the Xiaomi Redmi 5A. One more reason why I've been holding off on making new videos is because I'm waiting on this bad boy to arrive. And it finally did. So this is the Yuntang VC288 monopod with fluid head. It will help my videos a lot. It will make it more smoother because it uses a fluid head, as you can see. So I'm pretty excited to use this one on my new videos guys. Also, I just received this Roma's power bank that will be included on the second episode of Tech for Cheap alongside with the JBL T110 and 2 more products to complete the Tech for Cheap episode 2. That's it, guys. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about this kind of videos, vlog style type of videos, because as you may have known, I would like to be more comfortable with the camera moving forward while I'm growing my channel. And I thought, why not give you an update on what's happening behind the scenes. Good things are coming ahead for shopsadapage.com. I'm going to upgrade the shopsadapage.com website so you can read my full article more easily now, and you can browse through my contents more flawlessly. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe if you like this, and see you next time. Thank you. Have a great day.